Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marissa if you're new here. I think it's been about a year since I've posted, but I'm back, and today I'm going to show you how to do 4 heatless work hairstyles. So I'm actually a mechanical engineer, so some of my days are spent on sites and some of them are in the office. But for the days that I'm on a construction site, I have to wear a hard hat, and high ponies just don't work with hard hats. And if you're an engineer, you would know the struggle. So 2 of these hairstyles are hard hat friendly, meaning one is a low bun and then the other one is a low ponytail. But with that said, let's get right on into the video. So for the first hairstyle, I'm going to be doing a low bun. So what you're gonna do is take your hairspray and spray it on your hand. I don't like to spray directly on my hair because I feel like it makes it look a little greasy. So I'm gonna spray some on my hand and then lightly go over my flyaways that are coming from my part. I'm going to take my hair in a low ponytail and I'm going to spin it around. Twist your hair first, and don't twist it too tightly because that can lead to breakage, but then wrap it around after you're done twisting, like this. And then I'm going to take a hair tie and I'm going to go over the whole entire bun, and then I'm going to go over half of it like this. So if you can see, there's like a chunk of hair that it grabbed onto. Now I have this piece hanging and you can still see the elastic. So I'm going to take some bobby pins and I'm just going to secure the loose end, and I kind of hold the bobby pin open with my finger a little bit like this. I grab onto the top and open it. You can also use the bobby pins that are, I don't know what they're called, but they're more for buns. These are kind of for laying your hair flat, but I don't have the bun bobby pins, so I'm just using these. And I don't like to put that many of them in, but I kind of push them towards the bun so the bun is more secure. And it's not horrible. And it really doesn't matter if it's that perfect. I'm gonna turn this way. So if you can see, there's like a gap between my head and then the bun over here. I'm just going to take a bobby pin, taking the straight side, and I'm going to dig it into the bun and kind of attach it to my head. I'll try to show best way I can. Oops, that was a little too much. So I'm going to do the top part and then I'm going to do the bottom. And then just adjust as necessary. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the back so far. And I would say it's feeling pretty secure. I don't think it's going to fall out. It doesn't feel like that, at least. But the next step is I take some pieces out to frame my face. And I actually did this yesterday where I like cut my hair a little bit. So I had pieces that I could pull out to frame my face because they were getting a bit long. But what I did was I just did a triangle up here, very, very small triangle. And then I pulled them. And I think I have like about a hand length more than my chin. And then I just cut. If you don't like hair in your face while you're working or you're at work, then you obviously don't have to pull out these pieces, but this is a very sleek look. So for this second hairstyle, we're going to be using a claw clip. My claw clip is from Urban Outfitters. I think I got it for about $10, but you can find ones on Amazon for a lot cheaper. I actually have another video posted to my YouTube of 3 ways to do your hair in claw clips. So check that video out if you're interested. I'll link it down below. But for this hairstyle, we are going to take our hair in a low pony and we are going to twist very lightly and bring it up. And then we're going to kind of feel the middle of our hair, the middle of our head. And then I'm going to take my claw clip and I'm going to put the top, so I'm gonna lay it this way, and I'm gonna lay the top, this part, on the middle, the center of my head. Like a little bit higher, like there maybe, like that. And then I'm gonna clamp it tight. Then I'm gonna take the rest of my hair and I'm gonna lay it over. It does look really pretty when you've like curled your hair or you straighten your hair beforehand, but again, you don't have to. This is like a heatless hairstyle. So this hairstyle does give you a little extra volume if that's what you're looking for, but I'm just going to do the same thing we did in the first hairstyle and pull out my pieces that frame my face. And then I'm going to take some hairspray. If your hair is a little frizzy like mine, and it kind of looks like that, I don't know if I really like that look, but I'm just going to calm it down with some hairspray that I'm spraying on my hand. And there you have it. So for the third and fourth hairstyle, we're going to do 2 updos. So I'm going to take my fingers, I'm going to section off my hair, and I'm going to kind of run them down my head to my ear. Then from my ear, I'm going to take all of my hair towards the back. And I'm just going to section that off. I'm just going to put it into a claw clip for now. Okay. Now with this hair, I'm going to start at the front. Just going to use the viewfinder. So take like a small section all the way at the top. This is also a really good hairstyle to use if you have baby hairs that always come to the front or they actually don't reach your ponytail. This is like a perfect hairstyle. I look crazy, but this is a perfect hairstyle for that. So you're going to take a small section from the top, split it into 2 this way, like that. And you're gonna take the one that's closest to your face and you're gonna put it behind the other one. Now with this other one, you're going to pick up a small bit of hair from the front and add it to the other one. And now you're gonna keep repeating the process. I'm putting that towards the back. Now I have this guy and I'm gonna pick up another piece of hair and I'm going to attach, like group them together and then push it towards the back. So you'll start to see like a little twist forming. Don't mind my baby hairs. But I'm just gonna keep doing that. Keep picking up, keep getting lower, lower and lower until you're right at your ear. Just gonna keep twisting. Keep twisting, keep twisting, like so. So now I'm just going to do the same exact thing to the other side. And I just kept twisting. And I'm actually going to hold this in my mouth. I don't know the best way to do this. Maybe it's to clip it with a little clip on the back of your hair, but I'm just so used to like holding it in my mouth. I don't know if that's gross, but we're just gonna do it. There's actually no good way to do this. Maybe it's to attach them together, I'm not really sure. But I'm just gonna put them back in my mouth while I do my other part of the hair, but basically with this big chunk, I'm just gonna throw it up into a ponytail, and then I'm going to slowly, hand by hand, take my little twist and put it into the ponytail. Now I'm going to take a hair tie and secure this. And I actually did this little messy where you can see that the left side was bigger than the right side, but that's okay. I'm just going to take some hairspray and hairspray the twist down. And then you can also do this for your little hairs you have on your face. But I actually really like this hairstyle because you have every single strand of hair out of your face. And for me, I always get these like little hairs. Like I still have some over here that doesn't fit into anything. And for those, I'll just hairspray, or sometimes I'll bobby pin them down. But for the most part, these twists take all of that hair and brings it out of your face. So for hairstyle number 4, we're going to take the hair tie out of the pony, like that. And we're going to twist the hair into a bun. So I'm just gonna put the hair tie over the bun once, and then I'm going to do the same thing that we did with the first hairstyle and just put the second overlap like about halfway, like that. And then we're just going to secure with bobby pins. Okay, so that is it for hairstyle number 4. So I'm just gonna take some hairspray, again, spray it on my hand and kind of pull back any hairs that are coming undone. And then I'm gonna lightly spray the bun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe down below if you like my videos, and I'll see you in the next video.